how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Happy Valenbean. It is the 6th day, I believe, of Valenbean, and I'm really excited. I created this look that you see right here. Part of the look was inspired by Jamie Genevieve, part of the look was inspired by Lena Bugs, and I will get into that as those steps are here. And I really like how this look came out. So let's just get to creating it. I don't really have too much else to say. Good morning. I guess we're just gonna jump right into this. I have my eyes already primed with the Smashbox Lid Primer, and I'm gonna be playing with the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette today. So I think I'm just gonna start by taking Fresh Meat here. And I'm just taking that on a teeny tiny little e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to tuck that right in my crease. I'm not going to bring this up too high because I'm going to be blowing it out with other red shades. This is the very last Valenbean video I'm filming. I think this is the second to last one that I'm posting though. And Zane and I are having a little Valentine's Day party today. It is Sunday. I don't know which day it is because I don't have my watch. It's Sunday the 10th. We're having a little Valentine's Day party today with some of our friends. I just wanted to pretend we were in elementary school and have people come over and eat snacks and pass out Valentines, because nobody gives Valentines when you're an adult and I miss it. It was fun. So Zane's downstairs right now making some kind of queso. I'm a vegetarian in case you didn't know. He is probably what you consider a flexitarian because he eats a lot of the food that I eat, but he also will eat like a burger or chicken when he feels like it. But we are making some Beyond Meat queso today, and we are going to serve it. And I'm not going to tell anyone it's not real meat because I just want to see people's reactions because it's so good. Now I'm going to dip into cherry soda, and I'm taking this on a Morphe E17. It's just a little bit bigger, and I'm pretty much focusing this right on top of Fresh Meat. I'm not bringing this up too high because I do want this fairly smoky, but I don't want it to go as crazy as like my anti-Valentine's Day look, for instance. I'm excited for the party. It is 10 o'clock now. People are coming around 1, but I mean, everyone's always late. But pretty much as soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna go downstairs and help start preparing the snacks. I'm making some yummy sweet treats and like a veggie platter and things like that. I'm dipping into Prick now. And this is on just like a Colourpop tapered blending brush. This doesn't even have a name because this was during their first round of when they were releasing brushes, but didn't like have names to them yet. I think I got this brush for free by spending a certain amount of money or something actually. But I do like this brush. I love Colourpop's brushes in general. I really want to buy more. Probably the next time I order from Colourpop, I'm just gonna order a bunch of brushes and a colorful mascara. I wish so bad I would have had that red mascara for these Valenbean looks because that would have been so cute on my lower lashes. I'm now just gonna dip into Sugarcane up here, and I'm just using a fluffy Wet n Wild brush. It's stained, it doesn't have green on it, and I'm just gonna use that to buff out these edges just a little bit more. I don't even know who else is coming, to be honest with you. It might only be a couple people, but it'll still be fun. And I like hosting. I like having snacks and treats for people. So now I'm gonna dip into Blood Sugar, which is the more metallic-y red. And I'm just taking that on a flat Wet n Wild brush, but I'm going to spray it with my Pixi Glow Mist first because I want to see if that makes a big difference. Because I don't think I've ever really used this shade wet. Oh, that's pretty. And this shade I'm simply just sticking all over my lid. I wanted this look to be simple but impactful, you know? And then I'm just gonna take the second brush we use just to go through and buff this edge just a little bit more so it's nice and soft. And now I'm just gonna take this one right here, Glucose, the white one, and I'm just gonna pack that in my inner corner. I know I'm not using a shimmery inner corner, who am I? But I'm about to throw on a ton of glitter, so that's why it'll make up for it. This is such a good white. All right, taking the biggest brush just to blend that out. This contact lens is driving me nuts. Ugh, it will not stay in its assigned seat. So I'm going to do the other eye, and I'm going to throw on a winged liner because I know I'm gonna want that anyways, and I don't feel like filming myself doing that because you've watched me put on liner a bunch of times, but I'm going to be using my Beauty Bakerie liner. So I'll be right back. My eyes are matching and I have on my liner, and I realized that Last night I took a screenshot of this and totally forgot, but Jamie Genevieve posted this really pretty Valentine's Day look on her Instagram, and I like this pop of gold glitter in her crease, so I think I want to do the same. Our eye looks are actually really similar. Hers is a little bit lighter towards the center of the eye, but it's a red smoky eye. You can only do so much with that. So I'm taking my Pixi, what's this one called? Sunray liquid eyeshadow. And I just have an angled liner brush right here. I'm just gonna pop some of this glitter on the brush and hope this goes well. I'm just gonna focus it right in my crease. I love this. I'm gonna do the other eye and then we're gonna play with more glitter. I love this glitter touch. Thank you, Jamie Genevieve, for inspiring me. And the second part of the look is also inspired by another artist. Sorry, I'm looking down. I'm trying to find it. It's from Lena Bugs, and I had this saved a really long time ago and I've been wanting to find a way to use it. This was like her New Year's Eve look. But she did this look where she had all this glitter all over her nose and upper cheeks like Freckles, and I wanted to do that with this glitter. This is from Apocalyptic Beauty. This is called Kiss Me Deadly. It has black and red glitters, maybe a little bit of golds too, which would actually complement this really nicely. I didn't realize there was golds in this. Hearts, different shapes, things like that. You can use my code beautbean to save money if you want this glitter. I can say that now. And I'm just gonna take this random dual-ended brush. I'm just gonna start with the fluffier side. This is from just a random Urban Decay palette. And I have my NYX glitter primer right here. I hope this works the way I'm hoping it will. I'm tapping some of this glitter all along this nose area. And I'm just gonna sporadically start placing this glitter. I already love it. Come in.
Try the dip.
Is this glitter Freckles cute?
Yeah.
I was inspired by this. I've to add more, obviously.
It's cute.
Okay, thanks, bye.
Maybe babbling times.
Very babbling times. I'm just taking some more now on this little part of my cheek. The more sporadic the better with something like this though, to be honest. Making sure I grab some of the teeny tiny little micro size pieces to scatter on my cheek so it fades out nicely. I think it's cute. I don't care what anyone has to say about it. I might add a little bit more on my nose just so it's a little more diffused. I'm just taking a little bit more of the glue, just a little bit farther down, just so I can add the teeny tiny little micro pieces so it scatters a little nicer. I think it's cute, and once I have my lipstick and lashes on and my hair's like fluffed out because it's just kind of chilling right now, I think it's gonna be great. So I'm going to put on my lashes and my lipstick. I can't decide which lipstick I'm going to use yet, so I'll let you know when I get back and we'll finish this up. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. I went with the Jeffree Star Wifey liquid lipstick. I felt like it complemented it pretty perfectly, and I still think that. I love this glitter freckly idea. I like this eye look. I feel really cute. I'm excited to have my Valentine's Day party. I feel like a Valentine and it's good. Let me know what you think of this look, this video, how Valenbean's going so far. We just have one more day of it. Give it a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. I would really appreciate it. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna go to my Valentine's Day party now. Okay, bye.